Hey everybody, Kevin Walters here with Kevin's Auto Channel, and I want to talk about something that happened to me a couple of months ago. A couple of months ago, I was hauling a load, a pallet in the back of my truck, and I had a couple of, they were heavy, short boxes on top of the pallet, and I had a cargo van cut me off. And I had to slam on brakes. Well, when I slammed on brakes, one of those loose boxes on top sort of found my back window and busted it. So had to file a claim with my insurance company. They put it in as like a windshield claim, and sent a company out. Came to where I work at, and they replaced my back window. But I've noticed the quality of this replacement window, because they had to replace the whole entire window, the sliding part and everything had to be, it's one unit, so they had to replace the whole thing. Plus it's a heated, it's a power slider with heated feature also. So they had to replace the whole entire back window in this truck. And I've noticed that the replacement window is not, it doesn't seem like it's the same quality as the OEM factory window that was in the truck. If you look around the moldings of the windows, especially the slider, it seems to be cheaper. It doesn't look like it's the same exact window. Now, I know when they was putting in the window, they had to, the window that they had brought was for a different, it was a slider with the heat, but the connector on it was a little different. So they had to go back to their warehouse and get another window with the right type connector on it for the heat and the power. So I don't know, it just doesn't seem like it's the same quality. It looks cheaper, and I don't know if I'm not remembering my old window the same or what, but it just doesn't look like the same window. And even when it's opening and closing, it sounds more clunky. It's not as smooth as the factory window was. So I'm not sure what was going on with that. So, but I'll show you here what I mean when the window opens and closes. It just sounds cheaper, quality wise. The plastic around the moldings, like I said, doesn't seem the same. It seems cheaper quality. So I'm not sure. Let me know what you think. I'll try to find an older a video that had the old window in it and sort of try to see if it looks the same or what. But like I said, this was a couple months ago, and this is just stuff I've noticed over time. But let me show you what I mean. Well, good morning. I have an update for you about the window, my rear window back there. Well, a couple of days after I filmed the first part, I was coming home from work. I had my window open. And when I got to the house, I went to close it, and, well, this happened. Whenever I press the button, nothing. So I don't know if it's a bad window. Regardless, I've got to contact my insurance company again and see if they will send that company out to repair it. It's only been 2 months with this new window, and it's already broke. So I'm gonna call my insurance company, see what they can do, see if they can reach out to the glass company for me to either get another new window put in, or see if they can get this one fixed. Either way, 2 months, shouldn't have any problems with it. Only thing I can figure out, like I said, is, you know, they didn't install it correctly to begin with. They must have rushed when they put it in. I know when they brought the window out to put it in, they took the old window out and started putting the new window in, and realized it was the wrong window. It had the wrong electrical connector on it, so they had to go back and get this window. So, and like I said previously, you know, this window looked of less quality than the OEM window that was in it. It's the plastic around it looks cheaper, and it just sounds clunky when it opens and closes, and, well, finally broke. So that's the update on that. So I will call the insurance company and see what they can do for me. So update number 3 with my rear window. Got a hold of the insurance company. They gave me the number to the auto glass company that came out and put the window in the first place. So the guy came out, looked at the window, and after taking the back seat out where the power slider motor is, we discovered that the little steel cable that runs the window back and forth actually somehow crumpled up into this ball right in the center of the motor. So when I tried to shut it back that day, it just basically ripped the cable out of the window. So after we discovered that, he said, look, he said, we're going to have to order another whole window unit to go in this truck, because the way they make them now, you can't just buy the motor for it. You have to buy the whole assembly. So here we go again. We're back at square one. He got on the phone. They didn't have one at their warehouse. The next morning, they called me back and said, we can't find a window anywhere. So we're going to have to go to GM and order an OEM window for your truck. And I said, that's fine. And by the way, while the guy was looking at my window, he did actually get it shut again. So, you know, my window's shut. You know, if push comes to shove and I need it opened or something, I can forcefully push it with my hand, and it will open and close. So I was like, yeah, go ahead and order it, because I've got to have it. I need it. So got a call back later that day, and which was yesterday, and they said, looks like it's going to be Tuesday before we get the window in. And I said, that's fine. So hopefully Tuesday they will get a new window, rear window, whole thing, motor, window, track, and all, put back in this truck, and hopefully it will be right this time. The guy did tell me that they would send this window back as a defect. We'll see what happens. Hopefully Tuesday they'll get it installed, and this ordeal will be over with. But I know things happen. Everything man-made is going to tear up. and sometimes you get a hold of a lemon. So Tuesday I should be back in business with a functioning, proper OEM rear window. So that's it, guys. That's what's going on. If you haven't already, please hit that subscribe button down below. Hit the bell notification so that you know whenever I post a video. Be sure and like this video. Leave your comments down below. With this being a 2019, the newer generation Silverados, there's not a whole lot of parts laying around for them right now because they are so new. So sometimes you have to jump through hoops to get a part that you need, but looks like they found it, and it will be here and installed Tuesday. So this is Kevin Walters with Kevin's Auto Channel, and as always, I hope you have a great day today, and I will see you in the next one.